Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. So today is the 22nd of May, and we want to look at our weekly chart. Let's see what we have for the day. So this is what has been happening so far. Euro USD, we've seen some set after the price hit this resistance here. We had a resistance here previously, a resistance, and then a resistance. If you check daily chart, this is the same place where we expected a sell previously. So if you're on this chart now, you actually are supposed to be expecting a continuation to the lower side, and the price needs to come back up to this point. So this is like some possible wedge formation. We have it around this point. We had a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. We expect price to go up to this point, which is 1.07838. So the next chart, GBP USD, is this here. This has been a sell, and just allow me to draw my lines first of all, then I'll explain exactly what I've done. So this is exactly what we expect to be happening on this symbol. We are expecting a sell. We had a very good resistance around this trend line, a resistance level, a resistance level, a resistance level, a resistance level, and as I'm speaking now, the price needs to continue down up to this point, 1.20831. So if you're on this chart now, you actually are supposed to wait for price to pull back. There's a level here. We had a support which has just been broken. We want a retracement back to the same place, so that we pick a sell up to the next level, which is 1.20830. So pick a sell position from around 1.219992, have your stop loss above this high, and then your take profit needs to be fit here. So let's see what we have on our next symbol, USDJPY. So on this chart, we expect a sell. We have a zone which has just been broken. We had this zone here, so there's a break below. We want a retracement back to the same place, which is around the zone which I've just drawn, so that we pick a sell position. We do expect that sell to take price to at least 106.902, or if it breaks below, we expect it to continue much lower up to around 106.016. So as it is now, we do expect a sell from around this point here, where we'll pick that position with our stop loss above this level, and then our take the next stop profit is fixed around 106.016. So let's move forward to our next symbol. We look at is Brent oil. So far we've seen price continue somehow to move to the upper side, but then the direction changed just today. So this is still a buy as long as the price does not clearly break below this level. If you check for us, it's much more clearer. As long as the price does not clearly break below 30, we expect price to continue to the upside. So while you're on this chart, wait for price to, at least the current candle should not close below. So the best you should be doing now, buy position, and then have your stop loss below this low. I mean below, you can maybe place it below this gap here, below where this gap started here, and then your take profit to at least this point, around this level. This should be 38.62. So the next symbol is SP500. SP500, we expected a buy, we expected price to continue upwards. See, somehow the price pulled back to the lower side. We had this here, then we have this. So we are like in some very good wedge formation as long as the price is within this shape. I'm going to add an indicator here, the zigzag indicator, so that you see exactly what I'm trying to look at. We have price move up, and then there is that move to the lower side, and then we have a move to the upper side, and then we have this the next move, and we also have this onto the upper side. So what this means, the price needs to come back down up to that point, then either it should break below or bounce off. If it bounces off, then we do expect ultimately break beyond the upper trend line. So as it is now, we're basically just waiting for what we want to see. Price continue to the lower side. It should continue up to this point, up to the lower trend line, where if it does not break below, we expect it to bounce off, continue to the upper side, retrace back, and then continue upwards up to this point, up to the point here. So we look for a buy here, buy when the price gets to this point. So the last symbol we look at is gold. This is gold. Gold continued to the lower side. It came back down yesterday, and the most important part is it went below a very good level. We had some resistance, there was a break above, there's this retracement, and the price has gone below everything. So this could be a very good reversal place. It could be a very good place you want to sell from, with your stop loss above this level, and then your take profit needs to be here. So as long as the price is held within this area, the zone 1738.45, 1729.14, we actually expect sellers to take control. We expect sellers to push price to the lower side, and that should take us up to 1673.05. So if you sell it within that range, have your stop loss here, and then have your take profit here. So in case the price breaks beyond 1738.45, then that's the only time when we'll be considering a buy position. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's webinar. Again on Monday at the center. So thank you. See you.